Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at my daughter's room that I just finished renovating. My daughter is 8 years old and has recently been asking me for her own room. So we kind of sat down together and planned out something that she would like. And let's just get right into it because I'm really excited to show you everything that we came up with. So the first area that I'm going to walk you through is this little mirror area here for my daughter that she can use to do her hair. She already does her own hair, and that she can use to eventually do a little bit of her own makeup. I'm hoping when my daughters get older they don't have a ton of makeup, but you know, we'll see. That's still a few years down the road. But right now what she does have here is she has this little container with just lip chap in it. I'll probably put a bottle of hand cream or something here. I just gotta pick one up from around the house. And then she just has some decor. She has some storage, some really cute books that we found at HomeSense. I just really loved the spines and the covers. They're like a little whimsical. And then she chose these out from my stash of decor in my basement. So that is kind of this area here. Just really like a get ready station for her. The next area that we're gonna look at is her bed and her dresser. So one thing that I haven't finished yet in this room is actually putting up art, but I don't have that much to put up. The reason why it's not up yet is because our printer ran out of ink, and so I'm waiting for more ink to arrive in the mail. But this area of the room kind of has some of my favorite pieces that I was able to find for this room. This dresser here is actually a find from Facebook Marketplace, and they're old dressers from the Fairmont Hotel. So they are absolutely gorgeous. Well, it looks like she has some hand cream in here already. She kind of sometimes like sneaks things in here because she's so excited, which makes me so happy to move into this room. So we'll see if we find anything else, I don't know. But anyways, I loved kind of like the scallop design on this. It's solid wood, and another cool thing is that there's actually plugs on the side of these end tables. So that's where I plug in the lamps and her alarm clock and whatever else I guess she decides to put on here. I know she has a lava lamp. Not sure where she's gonna put that yet, but it might end up here, and if it does, there's a plug already there for her. So when it comes to the bed, we chose out a lot of the stuff together. We started off by choosing the sheets, and all we did was we went to HomeSense and I let her look at the sheets and choose one out herself. We actually got these pillows on clearance, so that was super cool because the color's perfect and they're big and fluffy. And then I got her sleeping pillow. I'm a little bit picky about pillows, and so this one, it's not too thick for her. And then I also made sure I got her a silk pillowcase, which was also from HomeSense. I love HomeSense, if you can't already tell, for her hair. She has hair that's like down to her waist, and so I try to help her out where I can with taking care of that. The blanket, I just got a comforter, which was from West Elm. It was actually on clearance, so that was also awesome. After the walls became purple, I wanted to make sure I added more colors into the room because I didn't want like just a purple room without any other colors to add depth and variation and all that good stuff. And then on the end of her bed here, she actually has this throw, and it has like, you know, the pattern of kind of like a snowy owl, maybe a snow leopard, I don't know, but we like to call it snowy owl. And I picked this up because there was actually one on Pottery Barn that was part of the Harry Potter collection. So myself and my daughter, we both love Harry Potter, and it did have sparkles in it, but it was $80 and there was no way that I could justify that for a throw. So when we found this at HomeSense, we just like immediately picked it up and knew that it would be a really good fit for her room. So that's kind of like what's sitting on the end of her bed there. Next, we have this kind of like ottoman at the end. I've told her that what she can put on here is her pajamas that she slept in, and then the clothes that she wants to wear the next day. But inside is going to be a space for stuffed animals because my kids just have so many, and it drives me absolutely nuts when they're all over the place. So this will be storage for hers. hopefully it works and they're not everywhere. So this will actually be the last area that I show in this room. And this is my daughter's now desk. It used to be my desk when this was a classroom, and it actually used to be completely white without any of these flowers on it. It was purchased from Crate and Barrel, and what we did to change it was we made a bunch of resin flowers, painted them, and then added them onto the desk. I thought it would be something that would really make the room a little bit whimsical and fun. In here, we've got some sketchbooks, and there's some pencil crayons here because my daughter really loves to draw and color. Up top, we've just got some books that my daughter really likes, a little box for storage, and of course, Hedwig. All right, so this kind of concludes the tour of my daughter's room. I hope you really enjoyed it. I had so much fun making this, and I'm so happy to be able to have done this with my daughter. And the best part has been every time she comes in and tells me how much she loves it. So I'm so excited for her to finally fully move in here and sleep in here, and to have been able to even do this for her. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out. And if there are specific things that you guys want to see, please let me know. I'm more than happy to share. I will tell you that the next room I will be renovating is my other daughter's room, which is gonna take not like full-on demo, but I do have to take some things down. There's wallpaper in there, and there's some beds that I built in there that I will have to take apart. And I think one of the ways I was thinking of moving forward was being a little bit more transparent with how much things cost, because I feel like nobody really talks about that, but you know, it is a thing. And definitely when doing renovations, even if you're doing it yourself, the cost is always something to be considered, and definitely affects the timeline of the project. So that's kind of where I'm moving towards. But of course, like I said before, if there's anything specific you'd like to know, please let me know, and please like and subscribe. All right, bye.